project.
Yeah. Type in eye color.
Okay. Let's try it.
You
What?
need eye color, not to find. Let's ask the debugging buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, it says, I see you have an error in your code. Do you want to use a tip token to understand this error? Yeah, we need help.
Okay. The error message you are seeing is due to your typo in code. You had to find the variable eye_color, but when trying to use it, you wrote eye color without the underscore. This causes name error because Python cannot find a variable named eye color. To fix this error, you should use the correct variable name eye_color in your code.
Oh, we forgot the underscore.
gosh.
This was definitely helpful. Okay. Underscore.
Okay, let's try it out.
Yay!
Did it work?
Yeah.
So what do you think about the debugging buddy? Is it helpful?
Cool. Yeah, I like it. It just helps when you're like making an error in your code and you don't realize it. Instead of asking for help, you can go on the computer on the website and look it up.
Yeah, like without it, like I probably wouldn't have been able to see the error because it's so small that I wouldn't have realized it.
All right, nice job, ladies.
Thank you.